Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss on peacock, the national bird of India. Peacock, the peafowl is a common name of three bird species in the genera Pavo and Afro-Pavo of the family Phasinidae, the pheasant and their allies. Peacock is the national bird and it is found in some area of India. Peacock feathers are extremely colorful. Peacock dances beautifully in rainy season by exploring its feather-like umbrella. These tail feathers or coverts spread out in a distinctive trains that is more than 60% of bird's total body length and boast colorful eyes marking of blue, gold, red and other hues. The large train is used in mating rituals and courtship displays. It can be arched into a magnificent fan that reaches across the bird's back and touches the ground on either side. Females are believed to choose their mates according to the size, color, and quality of these outrageous feather trains. So, dear friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you. So friends, how you feel about this video? Please like and comment in our comment box. Soon we will meet with the next video